Couldn't tell me.
Nope,
All
couldn't
right.
tell you.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Alright. Which one to do first? I'm a little skeptical on some of these too.
Oh wait, I was doing Snapchat, so hold on, I'll just do a normal video.
I've got the video going.
Oh, she has a video going? Okay,
Yep.
then I'm Snapchatting.
Yeah. Are you gonna do every 10 seconds?
Yep. Whenever you're about to put one in your mouth, let me know.
That's what she said.
Nice one.
Alright.
Quit being 2.
I'm doing it's the double brown, light and dark alternating bespeckles.
Okay.
No clue. Oh. It does not taste good at all.
That's probably sausage.
It's like it tastes like sausage with chewing gum in it.
That's disgusting. Okay, next one.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Yeah. Take a drink of your
Alright.
water.
No, it's only gonna get worse.
Okay, which one's this one?
Yellow with brown blotches.
Okay.
Oh. That's just banana.
I don't know.
No.
I figured it'd be nice and give you some normal ones.
Okay.
Actually, I gave you all the banana ones because banana's gross. FYI. I'm still upset about the grass one.
Oh
It
no.
doesn't taste like
Alright.
grass.
I'm a little afraid of this one.
I don't know what that one is.
I tried one that looked just like it, and it wasn't what I thought it was.
Green with like a reddish brown blotching all around it.
I don't know which one that one is.
Oh.
Please tell me that it's not watermelon.
The dirt.
Is it watermelon?
It tastes kind of like watermelon.
Then what the... Because see, that one is supposed to be dirt, and it's not dirt.
Maybe dirt just tastes better than we thought.
I guess so.
Alright.
Tastes very fruity.
Well, it's probably the sugar. That's what it is. Alright, the red with the bizarre blotches of like kind of yellow.
I have no
Oh,
clue what that one
shit.
is either.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
That's,
Cinnamon.
yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Cinnamon.
Okay.
Alright.
He's got another one on this plate, too.
Oh,
Yeah, hold
tip
on.
good too.
Yeah, it does. I got cinnamon.
Let me rinse the palate.
You know you're supposed to do that with coffee, right?
It's okay. Alright. It's kind of like a opal color. Anyway. Oh no, it's not bad.
I wonder if that one was earwax.
But earwax, it's not that bad. But then again, it could be kind of because it's mixed a little bit with the cinnamon.
Because the only other one that it could have been was marshmallow, but marshmallow's white with brown speckles.
And marshmallow, you know it's marshmallow.
Yeah. That one should be marshmallow.
Yeah, let's try it. It tastes about the same. I probably was just missing some of the brown speckle.
Probably. Well, then here, have this one. Wait, JK. May already have that one. We'll see.
That
That's
looks
what
like
I
earwax.
had.
Okay. Then I don't know what
That
the
looks
hell
like earwax.
No, it's marshmallow.
Oh, it's marshmallow. Oh, hey.
Mm-hmm.
The brown probably just mixed in
See?
as well with the white.
Put that in your mouth. It's marshmallow. Did you not get a
earwax.
marshmallow?
Did you get the earwax?
That's depressing. That's hilarious.
That's funny.
We're both like, it's marshmallow, and then it's not marshmallow.
Alright. This one is kind of like a clearish yellow with white blotches on it. So,
Which one?
clearish yellow with
Oh.
white blotches.
Okay. I really hope that's the one that I think it is.
It's kind of like a zestiness to it.
Really? The fuck is wrong with these people?
Earwax really wasn't that bad, but
Because that one that he just ate was supposed to be rotten egg. I believe.
No, it wasn't rotten egg.
oh,
Okay, well, these
Okay.
things suck.
Or the sugar's,
Earwax
or the
was
sugar's
not-
really masking it. It could possibly be that. There's another one. Okay. White with yellow spots. This is the rotten egg.
Probably.
oh wait, hold on. Oh shit.
Mine was
Oh
yellow.
shit.
Mine was yellow with white spots.
All right.
All right, y'all ready?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Mentally preparing.
Oh my god. Oh god, it's horrible. Oh. Oh.
Was that rotten egg?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it tastes like
Sulfur.
yeah, pretty much.
I'm so glad.
Somebody's fart.
I'm so glad I didn't eat that one.
Oh. It's like if you cook broccoli for a really long time, it gets that nasty spongy
Mm-hmm.
feeling. Yeah, just like that.
Do you want something else other than water to wash that down?
No, it'll be okay because I don't trust that one. I have a feeling it's vomit again.
No. You need to eat it.
The vomit one was like orange.
Yeah, vomit was orange.
Ugh.
You have to eat it.
Okay, I'm saving it for last.
That's fine.
Okay, oh god. Horrible.
I couldn't tell you what that one is. That was like a big grouping of ones I don't know what they are.
Yeah, it's kind of like brown with green blotches. This might be dirt.
Well, cause see, I have all of these that are brown with green. I asked you if you wanted like something else to wash it down with.
Ugh. We don't have
Alright, Alex, I'll eat one if you eat one.
we don't-
Okay.
We'll wait till he gets done with all his
We
though.
don't have anything that's going to mask this flavor. No. Trust me, that won't help. Ah, horrible. Why would anyone do this to people?
Because we love you. And you're an easy guinea pig.
Did you say guinea pig? Oh, I'm being a guinea pig.
Yeah, you're being a guinea pig for
You
us.
tell me this was guinea pig flavor.
Yes, it's guinea pig flavored. Was that watermelon again?
No.
Was it dirt flavored?
I mean, I can taste sugar, but it's just kind of like a bland flavor. I guess you could call them like that.
Okay, which one are you eating now?
That one's gonna be lemon.
Probably.
I'm gonna go with the yellow with the white blotches again. Because if it is earwax, it wasn't that bad.
It's probably lemon.
No, because I thought lemon was just a straight yellow.
There's no yellow with white splotches on these pictures.
Okay. That's lemon. It tastes just like a lemon drop.
Well, it's
Oh.
called sherbet lemon. So.
That's so much better than that freaking rotten eggs.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Solid green. I'm hoping this is green apple. Or,
No, but I got you one.
or potentially grass.
It's supposed to be grass.
I think he would know what grass.
Yeah.
It's grass.
tastes just like it.
See, both of us ate a neon green one and it didn't taste like grass.
Well, it's got that sugary zestiness to it, but it has the grass flavor. Trust me, I know the flavor of grass more than you.
Mitchell liked the video of you eating the vomit one.
Oh, I'm afraid of this.
You're supposed to him eating the rotten egg one.
I will.
Oh. Okay, this is like a.
I'm not gonna tell you what it is until you eat
I
it.
know exactly what this is too.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
It's booger.
Yep. Don't be a pussy. Come on.
Oh. Oh. It's almost as bad as the rotten eggs. Oh. Now, there's nothing good about that whatsoever. The sugar just makes it worse.